Jaloko marwa kuom thuoloni duto iluongo ni Wilson Ochuka. Machiegni duol mochung'ne koro chal mar kor lwasi oyango ni koth mapek biro chwee juma mokwongo mar dwe mar abich ahinya to Tich Abich mar jumani. Kagiloso gi jofwambo, director mar duolno David Gikungu oyango ni koth mapek dhi medo chwee ka dho wadh nam chumbi korang kod gwenge mamoko ma koth osebede mapek. Jatend migawo mar alwora Soipantuya bende omedo jiwo jo Kenya ma odak e yore ma oula kod kuonde ma oula thoro muomore mondo mi odhi kuonde moting'ore gi malo.
Rainfall is expected throughout the month, and it is likely to be intense during the first week. This is quite in line with what Chris had taken us through when he was explaining what we are expecting this week, especially on Friday, Madam CS. The total amounts of rainfall are likely to be above average. Occasional storms are also likely to be experienced. The northeastern region, where we have Marsabit, Mandera, Wajir, Garissa, and Isiolo counties, we expect occasional rainfall during the month of May. Total amounts of rainfall are expected to be near to above average.
It is an appeal for all Kenyans that are within riparian areas, are within areas that are evidently prone to landslides. The Disaster Management Department, which is a multi-agency team dealing with the various aspects of the humanitarian support, where there is relocation and movement of people, really is to seek the support of the Kenyan population to make sure that we move away from the evidently dangerous areas that will continue to endanger our lives.
Kwan ji ma oseyudi ringre margi bang'